Today we're doing an inspection on a basement, and I wanted to show you a little bit of the electric. This is a new construction happening, but this is actually, as you can see, this is up inside of a cavity here. And any time like that, you want to make sure, see how that's IECC. You want to make sure that this is designed for extra heat to be put up inside of here. You got to have these type of boxes. Something else that I want you to look at. I mean, this is good. This is all good. And you also look up here, and I wanted to share with you some of my Romex connectors. A lot of times the wire comes in here, and you want to make sure that you get this connector on there so this wire can't be pulled back out. These are things that you're looking for. You also see how it's secured on all four corners. You know, this is, whoops, let's back up here a little bit. You can see how this is all done. It all looks really good. This is what you're looking for when you get your electrical inspection or you're looking at it yourself. Now, we're going to look inside of the box here and see how they got it all wired up here. Everything looks really good. So anyway, this is what you're looking for, folks. I hope that this is helpful. And if you like, if you like these videos, hit like and subscribe and follow us so as you can help other people know what you know. Thank you, and have a great day. Galloway Building Services.